Thank you for tuning into this short video. My name is Helen Barkshire. I'm a senior EFL, English as a Foreign Language tutor, senior teacher and podcaster. I teach a wide range of students where English is their second language. So I teach adults and teenagers, currently working in a secondary school with teenagers aged 13 to 18. My background before teaching was business and entrepreneurial, so I feel I can bring that expertise, that different background to teaching. I'm very interested in the methodology of teaching and of course design. I have the flexibility at the moment to design my own courses and syllabus for students, which I really enjoy. In terms of qualifications, I have a Delta, which is the most senior English foreign language teaching level. That's by Cambridge. It's a master's. My specialism there was exam English and writing. My degree was from Bristol University and I did French and politics. One of the most important things that I think I can bring to the table and offer my students is motivation. I have always believed in the importance of motivation. I am results driven, but the most important thing I can give my students is the encouragement and the self-belief to know that they can do it. So we set clear goals and we set clear targets. However small they are, reaching a target and getting that goal is incredibly important. I'm adaptable, so I have the ability to adapt and be flexible to suit every student's needs. All my students have very different needs, so I have to be very quick in adapting and changing to suit them. I am known as motivating. I'd like to think all my students would say that I encourage them and that I make them try and make them do their best. I've done a lot of work with exams and exam students. I know it's a stressful time and that's something that I think I can help with. Like many teachers, I am fully digital. I'm working online as well as teaching face-to-face. Working online, I think, gives a great creative freedom to use different tools, different techniques to encourage students to engage, to encourage students to be interactive. I do a lot of work on YouTube, creating videos for my students, which they can watch at home, which they can watch again. This is compatible with the flipped classroom method, where students can watch a video and then come into the lesson better prepared. I also do podcasts, which I think helps students who prefer listening than watching something. So on the exam English, one of the things I try and do for students is provide a really good feedback. I think feedback is really important. It's a great way to be able to improve. I do video feedback like this. I think it's quite quick, it's quite precise. It gives students a way of remembering what they should be doing rather than pages of writing with red ink, which is extremely demoralizing. These are some quotes, very kind things that students have said about me before. The thing that I really like is when they talk about encouragement and motivation. So someone who said it was your encouragement that made me pick up some confidence. This, I think, really sums up what I think I can do. Thank you for listening.